Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone data entry job lead. We will keep this video very short, so just know the links to this job, if you are interested, are in the description box below. And of course, I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I have no additional information other than what is in the job posting. You would have to ask for any additional information at the time of the interview. Today's job lead is from the company Corvel, and they are hiring a data entry specialist. This is full-time remote work from home. They are based out of Richmond, Virginia, so I'm going to assume their schedule is on the Eastern time zone, but they are hiring remote within the United States, so just make sure that you convert whatever time zone you live in to the Eastern time zone to see if the hours between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday through Friday would work for you. They are looking for someone to rotate weekends every other fourth weekend, so it's one weekend a month. But if you are okay with that schedule, they are looking for someone to be a critical part of their intake operations for Corvel. The data entry agent is responsible for entering into the CareMC email, fax, or written correspondence claim request. The role requires the individual to manage your own work and that is assigned to you daily. This role is remote and does require the association, so you have to hit daily production numbers to meet their client's timeline. So the basics of it is that you're going to enter into their CareMC application any assigned email and fax request from the customer. You'll use available resources to correctly follow the client filing requirements and fill in any mission information. You need to have the ability to multitask between two applications using two monitors at one time. You'll maintain reports and spreadsheets as needed, and you'll complete any other additional duties as assigned. Now, they don't require any college degree, only a high school diploma or GED. They are looking for someone who is proficient in entering workers' comp claims into CareMC, someone who is proficient in using Microsoft Office tools such as Word, Excel, and Microsoft Teams, someone who has strong communication skills, attention to detail, and great decision-making and time management skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a benefit package including health, dental, long-term disability, flex spending accounts, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.